Right, an arrow is fired vertically into the air with an initial speed of 25 meters per second. Right, what we have to do is state the speed of the arrow at its maximum height. Well, have a think about it. I'm going to draw a quick diagram. If an arrow is fired vertically to the air, it eventually falls down. So let's just say it kind of goes up and then it would fall down. So at its maximum height, at this point, well, what would the speed be? Well, the speed's going to decrease because there's gravity pulling it down, so counteracting that velocity. So that means at the end, at the top here, actually is going to have a speed of 0 meters per second. It's actually not going to be moving anymore. It's going to be instantaneously not moving at the top just before it falls down. B. State the magnitude of the acceleration of the arrow at its maximum height. Right, for this one, as I said, the acceleration when we are talking about vertical motions is just simply going to be 9.8 meters per second squared. Now, we're used to this because that's the gravity. Now, the reason I didn't write a negative down there is just because they didn't ask for this direction, they just asked for the magnitude, which is the size. So that's why I just wrote it without the negative. Now calculate the time taken. So that's what we want to find for the arrow to reach its maximum height. So okay, let's write some facts down then. Well, I know that my acceleration that's keep acting is going to be negative 9.8 meters per second squared. Now my V final at the top is going to be 0. My initial speed is going to be 25 meters per second. And now we are just trying to find t. So let's write the equation. A is Vf take Vi over t. Right, so we want t by itself, so I'm actually going to times this by t to move it to the other side. So I get At equals Vf take Vi, and what I can do now is divide this one by A to get rid of it. So I get, these ones cancel, I get T equals Vf take Vi over A. So this is what I have to substitute in there. So Vf, 0, Vi, 25, my A was negative 9.8. So it's just 25 divided by 9.8, which is 2.55 seconds. So for it to start here and then reach the maximum height, it took 2.55 seconds.